Hello everyone, today we will study about chapter number 3 subtraction. So in subtraction, this term which we write above, this term are called minuend, and that term which we subtract from minuend, that term are called subtrahend. Okay, and the result of subtraction is called difference. So remember this thing. Now we will solve exercise number 3.1, and our first question is we have to subtract 2375 from 5896. Okay, in subtraction big number will come above and small number will come below. And remember this thing, always subtract from ones place number. Okay, so here our ones place digits are 6 and 5, and now we have to subtract here 5 from 6. So when we subtract, then we will get 1. Okay, so we will write 1 here. Now we will subtract 7 from 9, so we will get 2. So we will write 2 here. And now we will subtract 100 place number, and they are 8 and 3. So now we will subtract 3 from it, then we will get 5. So we will write 5 here on 100 place number. And now we will solve thousands place digit, and they are 5 and 5 minus 2. So when we subtract 2 from 5, then we will get 3. So our final answer is 3521. So 3521 is our difference. Now we will take one more example. Now I am taking example number I, 6815 minus 3644. So in this question, what we will do, this is in row form. So first of all, we have to arrange this question in vertical form. Okay, so that question is in horizontal form. Now first of all, we have to arrange this question in vertical form. So remember this thing, we will subtract always from ones place number. So and our ones place number are 5 and 4. So here when we subtract 4 from 5, then we will get 1. So we will write 1 here. Now here we can't subtract 4 from 1 because 1 is small and 4 is large. So what we will do here, we will take one borrow. So this 8 will become 7 and this one will become 11. So now we can subtract 4 from 11. So our answer will be 7. Okay, so here you can use line method also. Okay, suppose now I will use line method. So here now we have to subtract 6 from 7. So first of all, we will draw 7 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now how many number we have to subtract? 6. So we will cut 6 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many lines are remaining? So only one line is remaining, so we will write 1 here. Okay, and you can also use finger method also here. Suppose you have to subtract 6, or minuend is 6, so we will count up to 6 number, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now our subtrahend is 3, so we will count up to 3, 1 2 3. So how many blocks are remaining? 1 2 3. So we will write 3 here. So our final answer is 3171. So I think concept of subtraction is clear to everyone. Okay, so this is your exercise number 3A, and so this rest question will be in homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Now we will solve exercise number 3B, and our first question is we have to subtract 965 from 3723. So this is our minuend. 3723 is our minuend and 965 is our subtrend, and this will be our difference. Okay, our result will be difference. So now remember this thing, always start subtraction from ones place. So here um, we have to subtract 5 from 3. So here we can't subtract because 3 is a small number, and our minuend is small and our subtrahend is large, 5 is large. So here we will take one borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 3 will become 13. Now we can subtract 5 from 13. So we here we will use line method. So first of all our minuend is 13, so we can draw 13 line. We will draw 13 line: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. And so our subtrahend is 5, so we will cut 5 lines: 1 2 3 4 5. So how many lines are remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here we will write 8 on ones place number. Now we will solve tens place digits, and they are uh, now here we have to subtract 6 from 1. So we can't subtract, okay, because 1 is small and 6 is large. So we will take one borrow from 7. So this 7 will become 6 and this one will become 11. So now we will subtract. So here when we subtract 6 from 11, then we will get 5. So we will write 5 here. Now again we can't subtract 9 from 6 because 6 is small and 9 is large. So we will take one borrow. So this 3 will become 2 and this 6 will become 16. Now when we subtract 16 from 9, we will get 7. Okay, so we will write 7 here. So here we will put Taklu uncle. Okay, so now remember this property, whatever you subtract from 0, then your result will be number itself. Okay, so when you subtract 0 from 2, then our difference will be 2. So our final answer is 2758. Okay, so in subtraction you can use any method: line method, finger method, or you can subtract directly also. Okay, now we will take one more example of subtraction. So your question number I is 5000 minus 2079. So this question is in horizontal form. So now first of all we will convert it into vertical form. Okay, so remember this thing, always start subtraction from last, from ones place number. So here you can see 0 is a small number, or minuend is small and our subtrahend is large. So here we can't subtract. So this Taklu uncle will ask borrow from this Taklu uncle. So here you can see uh, this 0 has no number, so this 0 will take borrow from this. So here this we have no number, so this 0 will take borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. Now this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now again this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. So now we can subtract. So when we subtract 9 from 10, we will get 1. Okay, so here we will solve tens place number, and they are 9 and 7. So when we subtract 7 from 9, we will get 2. Here remember this property, whenever you subtract 0 from any number, then your answer will be number itself. So when we subtract 0 from 9, we will get 9. Now here when we subtract 2 from 4, then we will get 2. Okay, so our final answer is 2921. So I think concept of subtraction is clear to everyone. So this exercise number 3b, this is your exercise number 3b. So this exercise will be in homework. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Thank you very much.